Believe it or not, this is day 6. Day 6. Like day 3, was it? I fell asleep. Yeah, I fell asleep last night. So, day 6. So day 5. I passed out. Baking soda. Yeah, day 6. Day 6 instead of day 5 because I passed out in the bed again. Sometimes that happens whenever I'm dealing with kids, and then, well, you know what happens. Anyway, so day 6 of 30, and my teeth are relatively white. In case anybody was wondering, the type of toothpaste I usually would use, I use normally non-fluoride toothpaste. Anyways, I've been doing this for a couple of years now. This is neem and pomegranate because it has anti-fungal properties. But if you see my teeth, it's not bad. So I'm already coming at this relatively on a good side of things for my teeth. So the baking soda, it's still a test. I still want to see if it'll widen it up more. Or at the end of the 30 days, I'll be putting a collaboration, a snippet video of all the days so far. So day 6 is done, and then on to tomorrow. See ya.